Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for some practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. Alice 啊，我回来台湾10几年了，刚到 Icrt 啊，都会收到信，真的信件哦，听众写信来，
写情书啊。
情书也有啦，对了，然后还有朋友在国外的朋友写信回来啦，等等啊，对不对？圣诞卡片都会真的写，哪像现在大家都用什么 email， 要不然就是 WhatsApp。Text messaging, 要不然就打电话 Right, and in today's society, no one really writes an actual letter or mail anymore. We all use emails and text applications and whatnot. But we want to encourage all of you to go back to the basics, to the traditional way of connecting with people, writing mails. So, let's teach you how to say terms associated with a letter. Okay, 我们要鼓励大家还是写信。信怎么说呢？
信呢？
信哎，那写信呢？
下信呢？
哦，信呢 that means a letter. 下信呢？
写信。
吓到了
啊，不是那个吓了。
看到什么信吓到了？
写信，写。
法院的信那就吓
信呢？
下信呢 that means to write a letter. Okay, it sounds like I'm scared of a letter. All right.
那海陆腔下信呢？
下信OK, 比较没有那么可怕的感觉了。Okay, that means writing a letter. Also, one of the most common ways to tell your friends that you're at a certain place is writing a postcard. 其实常常我们去旅游就会买一个明信片，对，寄回去很方便。明信片怎么说 ？Postcard.
明信片。
明信片 Okay, that's a postcard. And finally, for these mail to arrive to their destinations, you need a postman. 这个寄信呢就要拜托邮差了，对不对？怎么说邮差呢？
送信那个。
这好像教过，就送信的那个人。It literally means the one who delivers the mail, but that's the postman. 送信的给Let's make a sentence out of this one of these phrases. 我收到朋友的明信片，其实我很开心，如果收到明信片。So let's teach you how to say, I received my friend's postcard.
我收到朋友的明信片。
我收到朋友的明信片。Okay, that means I received from my friend a postcard. I really hope to get one this year. At least one. Just one is enough. Let's review these terms. Writing a mail, 写信。
下信呢？
下信And then a postcard, 明信片。
明信片。
明信片 And finally, the postman.
送信的给。
送信的给邮差咯。So there you have it. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.